What's good everybody, lalo na dyan sa mga JML fans. So today, I will be reacting to JM De La Serna and Mariel Montellana's performance sa Showtime. Nag-perform sila ng Beanie Medley. So I think this is going to be my first time na mapanood at marinig silang kumanta ng Beanie song. So if bago kayo dito, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay? So, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. So, I'm very excited. Kasi I'm very curious paano kaya nila ito babaliin to sound very authentic, no? I mean, to make it their own, no? Yung version nila. So, I'm very excited about that. So, let's go! Oh! Oh, si Mariel din yung suot niya very Beanie inspired.
Ilang gabi ng puyat sa kakaisip sa'yo. Binabalikan na parang panaginip ang panahon.
Nice.
Ang sarili kung bakit ganito, ano bang meron sa'yo? Pero teka lang, parang dapat.
I'm just amazed kung gaano sila kagaling gumawa ng sarili nilang version. I know meron silang coach, meron silang mentor, no, na nag-guide sa kanila, but it's just amazing lang talaga.
Pagdaanan ko na ito, napamahal agad at nabigo, pero di makahinto. Nahuhulog ang loob, di
Woo! Parang original song nila, no? Woo! Ang galing. Ang galing. Amazing. Yeah. Galing. Pwede mag-request. Pwede i-record ninyo ng studio tapos ilagay nyo sa Spotify. Kasi diba, it's very refreshing yung version nila. Ooh! Galing. Karera ba to? Ooh. Pantropiko ba to? Karera nga. Sisimula.
Sana ay maibsan ang aking pangungulila.
Trapped in the fairy tale.
I don't wanna wake up in this dream. Oh,
Baby,
ayoko umasa
sa paniniwala. Salamin.
May pag-asa nga ba?
Very laid back yung ano. Galing. Galing nung gumawa ng ano, nung version na to, yung nag-arrange yung ano, backtrack. Mahiwagang salamin.
Mahiwagang salamin, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso
Salamin. Pero low-key yung boses ni Mariel pwedeng pang Bini, no? The vocal quality kasi medyo manipis na medyo sweet, 'di ba? Alam naman natin yung Bini, parang yung market nila or the way they approach their music is medyo sweet, no? Parang pang Gen Z talaga na gusto nila parang parang mahook yung mga kabataan talaga. Very sweet, pa-cute, mga gano'n, no? And I think, naturally, Mariel has that quality, no? Yung very soft, sweet voice. Pero, yun nga lang, Mariel is quite superior in terms of vocals. Kasi nga, she's more on the kontisera, okay? Sa dingding nasa na pag-ibig. Salamin, kailan niya ba ako papasinin? Mahiwagang salamin. Naging trap music, Oh? Galing. Karera ata to eh. Ay, pantrope ko. Lumapit ng biglaan, parang bang tinakataon. Ito nga ba'y tadhana, at tangi kong hiling sa mga tala. Mga pintig ng puso'y nakalaan para sa'yo. Following your footprints in the sand, walking with you when it's silent. Got her by the grip of your hand. Swabe naman, Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh, shucks. Feels so good. Nice. Sa islang pantropiko. Grabe yung pantropiko. Ginawang pang contest. Sheesh. Galing. Sa islang pantropiko. What? Galing. Galing. Ang galing. Wow. Diba sabi ko sa at first nung hindi pa tayo nagsisimula sa reaction video, sabi ko I'm very excited paano kaya nila ano kayong gagawin nila or paano nila kakantahin to make it sound na sa kanila talaga yung version. Tatak Jamiel talaga. And they did not disappoint. Ang ganda ng nung arrangement nila sa tatlong kanta, no? I love it, man. I think the best, I think I would, gusto ko yung sa Salamin and yung Pantropiko din. No? The first song was okay, okay? The first song was okay. Pero siguro bias ako sa Pantropiko tsaka Salamin. It's because yun yung dalawang top 2 songs na talagang it's nag-trending talaga. Well, everybody would agree na arguably those are Beanie's breakout songs, no? Salamin, Pantropiko, and yeah, they did a wonderful job making it their own, or making their own version out of those songs. So yeah. So talaga, I'm very impressed, no? Amazing talaga yung JML, man. Amazing. Kahit anong pakantay mo sa kanila, kaya nilang kantahin. So good job as always. So hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.